Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 39th day of the 40 days challenge. So today I'll be sharing a recipe of Urad Dal Fritters with veg filling or Black Lentils Fritters with a veg filling. So Urad Dal Fritters with a filling is a unique variation of South Indian Methu Vada. So let's see how it's done, guys. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I will add 1 spoon of cumin seeds, half a cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic crushed. Cook these until the onions turn the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Add a small spoon of salt to taste. Add a teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Now the onions have beautifully softened, so go ahead and add a cup of grated carrot and a cup of grated beetroot. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 full spoon of chili powder and some salt. Cook until the water from the vegetables evaporate. Half a cup of chopped coriander leaves. These veggies cook very fast because everything is grated. The veggies are 90% cooked. Now we'll add the mashed potato for binding. I'm taking about 1 cup of mashed potato. I've blended the veggies and potato mash well like this. I'll keep this aside so it cools down. Soak the black urad dal or black lentils overnight. Transfer the lentils into a blending jar and make it into a fine paste, adding some water and salt. There you go, guys. It's a fine paste of the black urad dal. I'll add 1 spoon of cumin seeds and whisk it in one direction for 5 minutes. We'll make a ball of the filling like this and dunk it in the lentil paste and coat the ball well with the lentil paste and slip it into the oil. Amazing black lentil filled fritters are now ready. Enjoy the Urad Dal Fritters, guys. This recipe is very unique in its own way because the fritters are so crispy, yummy, and a must try. My today's 2 cents. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. The first one is by Robert Frost. It always seems impossible until it's done. And the second one is by Nelson Mandela. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Until I see you guys in my next vlog. Bye-bye.